morning everybody and welcome to FML, and today I have some randomness. I'm going to do a clutch on this Volkswagen for you guys, and I'm going to film it, and you're going to watch the first minute of it. So while I have your attention, thanks everyone for sharing and watching my videos, and thank you subscribers. I really appreciate the support I'm getting from everybody and the feedback. And don't forget to check out the music. Every video is going to have a different song on it, and they're local artists, so check out their music, buy their albums, support them, and let's get started.
Wanted something funky, so I played something funky. Made it sound pretty funky, cause I know you like it.
Alright, so I got my coat on now. It's a little cold out here. We're going to start actually tearing into the car now. As you can see, I have it on jack stands, and what we're going to do here is start taking off our air box, our battery.
Played something funky, made it sound pretty funky, cause I know you like it funky.
Alright, so now that we got our battery tray and air cleaner out of the way, we're going to remove our intake tube there, and now we're going to kind of clean up some of the stuff around here so we have a little bit more room to work on here, and then we're going to go underneath.
Wanted something funky, so I played something funky. Made it sound pretty funky, cause I know you like it funky. Wanted something funky.
Alright, this is what we got going on here. I got our shift linkages disconnected, our starters out, slave cylinder is out, and I have two axles disconnected underneath and a couple of transmission bolts. But tomorrow we are going to, I have a cradle that's going to go over the top here, and we're going to support the motor. We're going to undo our transmission mount after I support the transmission from below. Don't forget that. And we'll start working on getting the transmission out. This has actually been going pretty smooth. Probably just jinxed myself, but it is what it is. And with that, I'm going to call it a day. We have a nice little sunset going on here. The sky is finally cleared up. It's supposed to be pretty sunny tomorrow and warmer. I'm a little chilly out here. So, yeah, I'll see you in the morning, or in 2 seconds for you guys. Good morning, everybody. I hope you enjoyed those 2 seconds. We're gonna start working on the car again today, and we are going to get the transmission out, hopefully. I may or may not have had too much to drink last night, so it should be interesting. Stay tuned. Yeah.
Wanted something funky.
Alright, so the transmission's unbolted and being supported by my sketchy block system that I've made. So we're going to try to wiggle this thing out and hopefully get it out and not kill myself. Wish me luck.
Wanted something funky, so I played something funky. Made it sound pretty funky, cause I know you like it funky. Cause I know you like it funky.
So I did jinx myself when I said this was going to be an easy job because I can't get the transmission out. Let's take a look here. I have it apart, but I can't get it out. It's getting caught on the axle flanges, in which Volkswagen has like a deal where you have like 8 bolts holding it on, and then you got like a flange hanging out of the transmission. I want to do some reading and see if those come off. That would make my life a lot easier. It's just small, I just need like 1 more inch of clearance and things would have been a lot easier. And I would be done with this, I feel like, but let me keep tinkering with it and see if we can get somewhere with it. Alright, you guys, I did it. And let's get out of the light. This clutch, I would say, was bad. This fell out as I was taking it out. And then, yeah, she's seen better days. So we're gonna get that switched out, and then we're gonna do the main seal while we're in there. So I gotta get this flywheel off next. And what I ended up doing was taking out the splines here. And hopefully they go in as easy as they came out. Alright, let's start getting things wrapped up here. What is up, everybody? I am finally feeling better. It is dark. And this is me with a done clutch. Hopefully it'll start. Sorry it's dark. This is day 3. I hurried up and finished this car last night because we were supposed to be getting freezing rain. You can see the clouds over there, but it should be fun. So I stayed up extra late last night trying to get this thing done, and it got cold, but I got it done, and it moves. So there's a reason why I did this, and you guys are going to find out in a future episode, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the dumb things that I'm doing in life. So keep making financial mistakes or do the exact opposite of what I'm doing. Thanks for watching, guys.
Wanted something funky.